Hey guys, welcome back. So, what if I told you that finding $1,000 a day dropshipping product is easier than you think? Yep, with the right strategy and the right tools, it's totally possible. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. I'll walk you through my exact process of finding these winning products step by step. So, no guessing, no scrolling, and you can even see the results on the screen from our users who are making a lot of money by finding these winning products with the help of the strategies that I'll be showing you guys in today's video. We'll be using Sell.the to help us find these amazing winning products. And I've got something special for you guys. I've got a bonus for you guys. The link will be in the description to Sell.the to a 14-day free trial, so you can go ahead and follow along for completely free. That's right guys, completely free. So make sure you check that link out. Now, having said that, if you guys are ready to stop wasting your time on these dead products and actually want to find these amazing winning products, then you make sure you watch this video till the end. Now, let's get into our video and help you find your $1,000 a day dropshipping product. Alright guys, so here we are on dashboard of Sell.the. On the left side of the screen, you can see a variety of tools that can help us find these amazing winning products. For example, the Nexus AI products. Now, this tool uses AI to help you find winning products. This is the age of AI, so this is one of the best tools out there to help you find winning products. Now, Handpick Winners is for those who are new to dropshipping. So if you're new to dropshipping or you don't have enough time to find the winning products yourself, then you can use the Handpick winning products. Every product that is on this feature is actually sourced by an e-commerce expert. So make sure to check that out as well. But for this video, I'm going to focus on the ad finders because I feel like it's very, very important. So let's go ahead and click on ad finders. Right guys, so the best part about the ad finders is that Sell.the has both ad finders, right? So for Facebook and for TikTok as well. So let's go ahead and play around with the Facebook ad finder. So cool part is we've got a variety of different tools that can help us really narrow down our research. So all these filters are really going to help us because, example, if you go to Meta Ads library and you go there and you start finding products, you're not going to be able to use a lot of filters. So that process is a long, lengthy process, and it's a manual process to help you find the products. But Sell.the has made it a lot easier. So the first thing that I like to do is I like to click on the weekly winners, just because I want to see what's happened in the market in the last 7 days. So I've clicked on the weekly winners, and here we are. We've got the best part is the engagement, right? So engagement is going to be shown as well. Just unlike the Meta Ads library, we've got engagement, we've got everything. And if you click on inspect, Sell.the is going to give you more information. For example, the likes, the shares, the comments, and even the store link as well. So if you literally click here and you click on shop now, it's actually going to take you to the seller, right? So this is our competitor who's selling his product, and as you guys can see, this is a very, very cool page as well. So this was the product actually. Now if you want to see the original ad, simply click on see original ad. It's going to actually take you to Facebook. Now the cool thing about going to Facebook is you can actually read the comments, right? So you can see if the comments are new, if the comments are old, and that is really going to help you understand that whether this product is a new product or an old product. Now this is why I love these filters. Now the other filter that I love to use is the high engagement one. So there's what I do. I like to click on high engagement, right? And then what I do is I click on more filters, and for the country I pick states. So if you want to find products in Germany or Portugal or Spain or Australia, nice and easy, just come here and pick your country. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and click on states and apply filters. Right guys, so here we are. We've got a variety of different products, and the cool thing about these products is that we have a lot of engagement, and plus they are in states. So the ads of these products are run in states. It depends on your market. So for example, we got a effortless mask, a Westmore beauty. All I need to do is I need to click on inspect, and it's going to show me the likes, the shares, the comments, the reactions. We've got a video here as well, right? And if I just scroll down and click on shop now, I want to check the competitors page as well. So this is the store that has been selling that particular product. And if I click on see original ad, it's actually going to show me the ad on Facebook as well. So just wait for it to load, and here we are. Okay, you guys can literally see 16,000 likes. That is a lot of engagement, guys, for a dropshipping product. Now people are saying I love it, I use it, it's great. Reading these comments can really help you understand the product, and also understand that if there's something good about the product or bad about the product. So if there's something bad, then you might want to leave that product alone, or if you can come up with a solution, then sure, you can jump in the market and really get ahead for competition. right? So I'm gonna go ahead and start to look for the products that matches my niche. Anything with a dog niche, journal product as well, will do just fine. So let me go ahead and click on the monthly best, and for the filters, I'm gonna click on the states. So I'm gonna look at the top products this past month, and those products are actually sold in the state. So let's go ahead and do that. So we've got a variety of different products. As you guys can see, 10,000, 4,000. Okay, this product has a lot of engagement. What is this? I'll click on inspect, and let me click on see original ad. So here we are with the ad. I love how to order this. Okay, we got comments that are old, and we've got recent comment as well. So the engagement is kind of mixed, right? So how much engagement we have? Let me see. Okay, 21k. That's crazy. Let's go ahead and check our competitor stores as well, because I feel like it's very, very important. So this is our product, and now if I actually scroll down, it's going to show me the Facebook page as well, which I really wanted to see. Okay, they've got a lot of followers and likes as well, so it's actually a big brand, and the ad is still running. It has been running for over a year. Remember guys, we want to get in a product that has a lot of engagement, but not kind of a product that has a lot of engagement but has been running for a long time, or is a branded product, right? You want to stay clear of that, so make sure of that. Anything above 1,000 plus likes is actually a product that has a lot of engagement. Now the cool thing is that the niches, right? So if you want to look for a product in a beauty niche, then sure, let me go ahead and click clear all, right? And for the niches, I'm going to click here, and for example, the beauty, simply click on beauty, and it's going to show you all the products that belong to the beauty niche. That's how easy it is, guys. And this kind of freedom you won't get using Meta's library. So this is how easy it is to actually start finding these products on Sell the Trend. So we've got a lot of beauty products, as you guys can literally see, created on 5th May, June 11. I think this is a recent product. And you can also do one thing here, is that you can click on the more filters part, and again select your country. If you don't want to look at the products that are being run in the UK or the Europe, go ahead and just change the location to states. Right, so we've done that. Now we've got a 3-in-1 hair growth treatment. I think it's actually a pill. We don't want to get into that. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, we've got our most powerful yet Dyson. Yeah, dropshippers have sold a lot of Dysons, guys. These kind of products tend to do really, really well. Save at home alternative to laser. These kind of products also do really well, and the reason for that is they have a high perceived value. And we've got a facial hair body as well. I think that this is a really cool product. All these red light products, they are gaining a lot of attention. And let me go ahead and check the ad. So wow, okay, people are still into it. Do it. Is it safe? It's covering their eyes and everything. Let's go ahead and check the competitor stores first. And as you guys can literally see, he is selling it for a lot of dollars, $649. That is a decent price. Now the product page looks good, but we can definitely make it better by adding image reviews. Well, other than that, I think like it's a fair product, and it can definitely be sourced from China. It's definitely a dropshipping product. Right, so this is how easy it is, guys. This is how you can use ad finders for Facebook to help you find many products. Now I'm going to show you how to use the TikTok ad finder, so let's get into that. Alright guys, and similarly, we've got the TikTok ad finders now. Very same to the Facebook ad finders now. We've got the filters here as well. Same as before. Now, here's what I like to do. So, first filter that I like to use is the monthly best. So this filter is going to help me really understand the market, like what's really happening on TikTok, what kind of products are going viral. Guys, in my experience, I prefer to use the TikTok ad finders more, because I feel like TikTok is a better platform as compared to Facebook for finding winning products. Now it's actually kind of different from Facebook in terms of engagement. Now you will see a lot of views, a lot of comments. Engagement is going to be crazy if we were to compare it with Facebook, right? So it's going to be a lot. So let's go ahead and start finding the products. So the monthly best is the first filter that I like to use. It gives me an idea of what kind of products are getting a lot of engagement and what kind of products are doing really, really well, right? So if we scroll down, we can literally see a lot of products have a lot of high engagement. Now, generally, you want to steer clear of these products. You don't want to sell these products because they have a lot of engagement, meaning the competition is going to be fierce. So the next filter that I like to use is the weekly winners. And the weekly videos also help me understand what's really happened in the last 7 days on Amazon. For example, we've got a product, Amazon Kitchen Finds, a lot of views, a lot of comments, a lot of shares. Shop it on my Amazon. Okay, you can literally find suppliers for this product on AliExpress and start selling immediately on my Shopify, or if you're using self-shop store, nice and easy. 12 million, a lot of comments, literally see a lot of products here, home finds. We even got some products that have Spanish on it because, as I know, a lot of people in States, they speak Spanish, right? So a lot of comments now, a lot of engagement as well. Now, these two filters I normally use to understand what's really happening in the market. Now, the other thing that I like to do is I like to click on more filters, and I like to click, to pick the states. Now, this is where it gets tricky. So I'm going to go ahead and type in 1000, right? So that is the minimum. So I need minimum likes of 1000. That's it. That's literally what I do. I don't play around with it too much. I just need 1000 plus minimum. Now, it's going to show you a lot of different products. And if you really want to narrow down your research, then you can do is maximum. So 1000 is the minimum. Maximum, you say, okay, I don't want more than 20,000 because 20,000 is not less, guys. So especially in dropshipping ads, right? So now it's going to show me all the relevant products. So we've got a perfect shave smooth skin. This is the product looks nice. I think it's a girly type of product. Looks good. We've got shoes. We've got DIY staircase upgrade. This looks really nice. All I need to do is click on inspect, and it's going to show me the plays, the likes, the shares, the comments. This is actually decent. And we've got the graph as well to really understand. And then we've got more ads from the same advertiser. So this is where the things that really cool, because we can also see what kind of other ads are being run by the similar advertiser, right? So there's a shop here as well. Click on it, it's going to take you to the competitor store. But really, let's really take a look at what's happening here. If you got the sizzle, I'm going to click on the sizzle as well. So a lot of engagement, a lot of TikToks. If I click on see on TikTok, it take me actually on the TikTok. So you guys can literally see we've got a lot of engagement here as well. This can literally be seen here as well. So this is how literally you can start finding products. Now, guys, if you are using these ad finders, make sure you are, giving it time. You're not going to be able to find a winning product in just under a minute, right? You have to give it time. You have to really understand a product. You have to really build a sense of it. You have to really come up with a marketing idea. Of course, most of the ideas will be given to you, by Sell the Trend. We will give you all the interests that you can use to market these products, and you add copies and descriptions and everything. But still, you need to really do your research, thorough research. Now, this is also one of the products that I made a lot of money with, but now this is old. So if you're still selling this, then you're not going to be able to make a lot of money. And the reason for that is a lot of guys are already selling this product. Right, so okay, this is actually really cool, and you can literally see it's created on July 29th. So you can take a look at that as well. So you want to look at the products that are whose ads are recent, right? So we've got April, and then we've got September. So obviously you want to skip the September one, and we're going to go with the products whose ads are created recently, right? So I also got this bulb holder as well. It looks really cool. So guys, this is one of the best ways to use these ad finders to help you find these amazing winning products. And remember, guys, a lot of the users who use Sell the Trends use these ad finders to help them find these amazing winning products. And you literally saw at the starting of the video that how much money they were making. So that's how easy it is. All you need is patience, and you need time, and after that it's just done. You will be able to find these winning products of every single day. And make sure to use all of these filters. Make sure to go through all of these filters one by one, so you can really understand how they work. And guys, the best part is there's going to be a free trial to Sell the Trend. A link will be in the description, so you can go ahead and check everything out for completely free. All the tools, everything, go check it out, use it yourself, learn it, and then you'll see how amazing these ad finders really are, and how much potential they have to help you find products that can bring you a lot of money. Alright guys, so that is it for our video. Now, if you want to learn how to start your dropshipping store from scratch in just under 30 minutes by using AI, then you can watch our next video right over here. Now, stay motivated, you guys, and remember, product hunting is a manual process that is going to take up your time. But guys, with the right tools, you will be able to find amazing products that will make you a lot of money. So stay motivated, keep making those sales. I'll see you in the next one.